Let's be real, 2020 has not been an easy year for most people, especially for Palestinians who have been stuck living between the COVID-19 pandemic and the Israeli occupation. Despite the circumstances, Palestinians have used the pandemic to come up with unique and creative solutions to the problems that they faced because of the coronavirus. In this final episode of our COVID-19 series in Palestine, we're showcasing Palestinians who responded to the coronavirus pandemic using innovation and creativity as a way to help their communities adapt to the crisis around them. Welcome to the city of Ramallah, the economic and administrative hub of the occupied West Bank. It's home to the Palestinian Authority, countless international organizations, and local Palestinian companies. It also happens to be where we start our journey today, in one of Ramallah's refugee camps, where a collective of Palestinian women have taken mask making to a whole new level. During the COVID-19 pandemic, the mask industry around the world has boomed, as people have come up with thousands of designs for new masks. When the coronavirus first hit this community, these Palestinian women decided to do something new. They wanted to come up with an affordable and renewable solution to provide masks for their community, all while incorporating the Palestinian tradition of embroidery, which has been passed down by Palestinian women for generations.
عملنا الكمامات بألوان مختلفة وعملنا عليهم تطريزات ناعمة حلوة عشان يعني نحبب الناس كمان يلبسوها، لأنه مش الكل كان حابب يلبسها. يعني جمعنا بين التراث وبين الشكل الجمالي والحماية. عملنا احنا أكثر من رسمة، عملنا مثلا رسمة السروة لأنها خاصة برام الله، وعملنا الستار النجمة اللي هي نجمة بيت لحم. عملنا هدول الديزاينين وفي الكوفية عملنا كمان.
In addition to providing a form of protection against the virus for their community, the mask-making program in the Al-Am'ari Women's Center was able to provide this group of women with a source of income during the pandemic, at a time when Palestinians were experiencing unprecedented levels of unemployment.
أهم شيء إنه إحنا استغلينا الوقت، وجميع الستات اللي بيشتغلوا معنا يعني تقريباً عندهم احتياجات خاصة، مثلا اللي جوزها بيشتغلش، اللي عندها أطفال معاقين، اللي عندها يعني كل واحدة عندها قصة بصراحة. بس الحمد لله قادرين إنه نوفر شغل يعني معظم الصبايا.
To the south of Ramallah in the West Bank city of Bethlehem, the COVID-19 pandemic hit the local community hard, as the lack of tourism to Bethlehem plunged the city into crisis. When they realized that tourists wouldn't be coming back to their city anytime soon, this alternative tour company turned to the internet and decided to pilot the idea of virtual political tours of Palestine.
The pandemic and the crisis was something abnormal for us. We did not expect it at all because we had other plans for 2020. We have to adapt with the new situation and look for alternative way to show our life, our situation, and to share our political situation with the people outside. And from that point, things has to change as we start doing and offering the online tours. You can't imagine how tall the wall it is from your screen. When the crisis of COVID-19 is gonna end, I hope you're gonna have the opportunity to come and visit us and see how the wall is tall and how ugly it is and how is the war affecting the Palestinian daily life.
Even though there's a coronavirus pandemic, people will still be able to learn about Palestine through these tours.
Of course, this is one of the main things we're trying to do, because one of our goals was to give alternative way of narrative, explanation, experience about Palestine, targeting the political situation and the culture and the heritage in Palestine, because we believe there is more things to tell in Palestine. So despite the Israeli occupation and the difficulties that we were facing since the beginning of the crisis until now, We believe as a Palestinian, we're still strong and we are continuing our struggle more and more and more. And through doing those tours and those activities and what we are offering the people the chance to learn and to know more about Palestine. And this is also something we see it as part of our struggle in Palestine.
It's been 7 months since the first coronavirus cases were reported in the occupied Palestinian territory. Since then, Palestinians have faced a number of unique economic and public health challenges, which have been exacerbated by things like Israeli annexation and home demolitions during the pandemic. As the coronavirus continues to spread, with the prospect of a vaccine still far away, it's likely that Palestinians will continue to face new challenges at the hands of the coronavirus and the occupation. This was our latest episode in a limited series on COVID-19 in Palestine. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content like it, don't forget to like and share this video and follow and subscribe to Mondoweiss on social media. If you'd like to donate to Mondoweiss, please visit our website at mondoweiss.net.